everyone, lovely to see you again. Something I've been thinking a lot about recently is about communication virtually. And because most of us are doing more virtual communications than face to face, a lot of the time before COVID happened, many people came to me asking about authority in their voice, finding the gravitas and where that lies and lives in their voice, and how do you make more impact as you speak and communicate in this way. Now, these are three really important things, and you still need them in virtual communication, but there's one thing that's missing, which is presence. And what is vocal presence? Vocal presence is about you really being there in the moment as you are sharing that message with somebody. You are not trying to really do anything more than literally to share that message. But a lot of us we're very multifunctional. We can think ahead, we can think behind, and what happens is that as we are thinking ahead, or if we have not forgiven ourselves for a mistake that we made in the short 3 seconds before we are speaking now, what happens is that it starts to take away that energy that goes into the actual voice as I am sharing my information with you right now. The more that we are able to stay with it, the more that we can stay present within ourselves as we are sharing our information, the more engagement, authentic engagement that is, authentic engagement that is with our listener. And our listener, when they are across a screen or if they're face to face, it feels different. But the more that you know that you're actually present and connected with your communication, the better chance that you have of reaching them in the best way possible. So when we're thinking about how our vocal qualities create presence, the first thing we need to do is stay with ourselves and actually deliver the message that we intend to. Some of the other layers that we can work on in a technical way, including the impact of each individual's voice, which will be very, very different in terms of authority, which will also be different and tailored to each person, depending on what your personality is like, why you like to speak up or why you don't like to speak up, or perhaps it's that you'll only speak up if it's a specific topic and it's gotten to a specific point in that conversation. And then the gravitas. Sometimes gravitas can be a very, very scary subject because you need to commit yourself fully to have gravitas that does not seem fake. And when we speak with gravitas, we're looking for usually power and authority within that sound that's coming out that's going to resonate with the audience. So when we're looking at that, we really need to trust ourselves and also the journey of understanding that our voices can connect all that we are feeling if we allow it to show up. So if you are interested in this and you really want to find out more about how our vocal qualities can create presence, impact, authority, and gravitas, this week's webinar on Thursday at 6 p.m. BST London time, please feel free to register and join me on the webinar because I'm going to be covering all these different aspects of how these qualities, how these vocal qualities can start to help you enhance your communication and your engagement, and also to connect more to yourself as you are sharing your message so it feels more real to yourself and that you actually become more confident in doing it. The registration link will be just down here so that you can register for the webinar, and I am looking forward to seeing you there. So if this is something you've been thinking about a lot and you had no idea where to get this information from, join me on Thursday and I will share with you all my tips about the vocal qualities and how they create all this amazing stuff for us. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. And if this is something that you're interested in and you want to learn more, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to know when I upload my next video. All right, I'll see you on Thursday and thanks very much. See you later. Bye.